My people, massive protest they go down now for India. And according to the matter where they tell me, they say they kill one Nigerian man. It dey happen for India live. So now in fact, almost all the Nigerians wey dey for India, they don't dey on the street, they dey on top of police people head, they protest. And matter wey reach me, they say this man they come back from bar. I don't know what he go do for there. As they go back house, na so the police people can't stop him. They say the police people arrest him. As they arrest him now, my people, nobody know wetin happen. No, whether the man no gree, whether the man gree. Now so una know that bamboo stick where India people sabi hold. By the time they use that stick beat this man, they beat until the man die. At the time na serious matter, this man die. And no be there end o, they even still use knife stab the man wey die in front stomach. They stab am. Omo, now all the Nigerians don't pack themselves for police people side. Oh, they say me since una know say India people they too they get CCTV this thing. They say, oh yeah, may they show them the CCTV footage so that they go see whether na true, because they deny am. They say they know they release any footage. My people, now the matter we still they try settle like this for India. So I don't bring a on aside. Because join me, make we watch the video.
They no want show us coming off our brother where they kill. But now God will fight for us. We talk, they say we no talk. But this is the height. We no go green. If Naija may they deport us. No. This war go reach Naija. I no go green. A person family they just end.
I say they can put am for road. Now they pursue and use this their stick. This their stick where they like cassava stick. Use and take kill am. We no go green. It's too much. Police brutality is too much in India. Wait. They agree go. No be Indians. They don't take over Tanzania. They don't take over Tanzania finish now. I be in Kenya where they don't take over finish.
I do wonder wetin people they go find for India self in the first place. I don't like India. I bet no get me wrong, I know they insult the Indians because now the country I they talk about. Because even if I thought I want travel, I bet make it be another place. See how person just die like fowl. Before I think say na only Nigeria they swear for with this police brutality thing. Now see say now we get neighboring village, we get neighboring country. Brutality everywhere. See wetin una government dey cause. No, because assuming Nigeria be better country like the way it used to be, or at least to a level, my people we know. See, people not supposed even they run from their country, but now people they run unnecessarily. Even people who no plan to travel now they travel. Why? Because of sufferness and everything. Ataya. And as it be now, no be say government go even do something. No, they go just do like say this one. They know they hear this particular English. No, this English too strong for them. They no sabi this kind of English. They go hear this one now. Pass am. It's not their concern. For una to see the kind people who una elect, where una put, ungano, anything about them na negative. Na negative. So this one, I no go even advise una make una call government, make una do this one. For where? Who wan answer una? Now the government wey never even care for Nigerians inside Nigeria. Now the government go care for Nigerians in India. Ungwanu make una well done. Continue to the wait on government. Now una go sleep there, una bears go grow. Seriously. Just imagine the kind shame where these people they bring on top us. And already the Indians, they know say Nigerian government no go even do anything about it. Now why they even see they no go even release this video. If in another country, like United States or something like that, by now this matter, in fact, they don't pieces are finished, they don't settle now. Seriously, and justice will take place. But because na Nigeria, who send you? Who know you? Who will fight for you? As a Nigerian, at this moment, only God. So as this man don't die now, no, seriously, they break my heart. If they break my heart, but my people, wetin we won't do. Now my question, wetin una think say we fit do now? People wey they know say they no even dey respect us for our country. Now outside they want see it is how they treat you in your country. Now the same respect or level they go give you outside. I dey tell una this thing. Now country wey no say that they respect you, now them go respect you. I dey tell una this thing every time. And especially now when Nigerians don't open finish, everybody know wetin dey happen. Which respect you dey expect? Nobody go give you that respect. Sorry be your name. My brother, abeg rest in peace, oh, rest in serious peace. And I pray say God go strengthen your family members. This thing no easy, oh. Say you lose person where you know, and I even dey imagine when last they even see this man. It is where my people now the matter say make I bring am. This one I no even dey happy mood at all. I no go lie una. I no dey happy mood. Our people just they die. People just they die. And in fact, 80% of all the things where they happen for this country now government. Abeg help me share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. Anybody wey get idea to settle this matter with, they go share am. Very very important. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you go dey miss matters like this. Very very important. Drop your comment, and as usual I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. Dr. Hakeem Baba Ahmed, this one na Northern Elders Forum spokesperson. He don't come outside now, come dey blast the presidential spokesperson. This one no be other person, but Garba Shedu, they say na Buhari personal assistant. Now they come out, they give us any news since we no get president. Sorry, since our president always dey busy. Now they come outside, they give us. So this Hakeem now he don't come outside, come blast am. Because wetin be name Garba Shedu come outside come dey tell people say members of opposition say they exploit Nigeria security challenges. In fact the kind things wey dey come out from him mouth, he himself they even they go contrary to all the things where they talk. So this Hakeem now don't come outside come blast am. And according to Hakeem come dey talk say the presidency go dey divert matters when they confront them for major matters for this country. Say if you tell them one thing before you know am, because of the lies where they always they get, they go just shift the thing. You yourself you go just confused. Ask them A, they go come enter Z. And he even add say the fact say presidency they refuse to acknowledge certain issues for this country. Now be say Nigeria now as we they talk, e dey inside serious trouble. So I beg, I no wan finish the whole sauce. I want make una listen to am with una own ear. So join me, make we watch the video.
I don't know which minister was executed. I was part of many governments. I was a permanent secretary for 10 years. I served under many presidents. I have no idea what Malam Garba is talking about. And hear him speak in this manner, to be honest with you, I'm more depressed now than when I came into this studio. How do you explain the growing sophistication of the criminal in this country? You only do that by acknowledging the fact of the failure of the leadership to secure citizens. There's no way. How long do we want to wait until the president gets around to understanding the nature of the problem? Listening to Malam Garba, to be honest with you, I just think that the presidency has run out of ideas. When they are confronted with a very serious challenge, they go around looking for all sorts of diversions and excuses. Nigerians don't want to hear any of this.
I beg, this man, is he... Una sure say this man are not now. Hey! The accent self. No, before I enter my people with you know say I always dey notice good things. This man accent sound like I know they see Northern for this place. Meaning say he go school. Hi! Now wow! Hey, Chineke. My people, one of the reasons why I know they like this Buhari people matter. In fact, the whole Nigeria government, one of the reasons why I know they like them, because see, they never accept responsibility for their life. They never accept them. No, just bring one matter now, they go look for who to blame. This one go say that one down. Now so every day different things. But I don't hear enough from this one. Hey, but this man gets sense. First node now. Abeg, I never see another one. First note now where they see say get intellect. This one go school, yeah, like you feel. I won't believe it. This one, I know, I go sleep, think am very well. It no dey possible. Abeg, biko na beg I dey beg una. Make una dey check up on this man. The next thing una go hear now, him house don catch fire. Una understand wetin I mean? Because as e don come out now, talk this truth. No, but this man download. The kind things wey download, una hear am. Chai, abeg bring am outside. He deserve some accolades. Well done, sir. Now, wow, this man, and even cute. Okay, he cute small, like he try. No say northerners they sabi. Make I not talk. Bros, I no support you. No get me wrong. I tell you that this thing before me. No, I know they support anybody. Just do the right thing and I'm okay with it. I no get one party, I no get you understand. So because me, I just want give an accolade when you deserve. You understand? I support your sense. Because I bet which school you go. Be like say I go this school. The man English, the way they talk, the way they no. But I bet hope say you no be like these people. No come outside now. They pretend they speak good things. Tomorrow now we hear say you don't. Congratulations, you have done well. You have done well. I like that one. My people. No, the man try. Because nowadays it dey hard to even see person wey go come outside admit. No, it dey hard. I know they talk of those ones where they pretend to go just come outside so that people go say this. No, just watch. Now go here now say DSS don't go arrest them. You know they hard boo. They know how to be fast when it comes to things like this. But call them for security matters now. They go they drag leg like snake. Ha! Chineke, Nigeria. I just wish say Nigeria fit just change. I wish say this country fit just change. I don't tie. If only Buhari know the kind shit I be mess we don't put us inside. If only this man know. In fact, he go resign by himself. Something they behind this man. I know just in fact, all of them, something they behind all of them. But no problem. Una know how pregnant woman they wait for labor. We are pregnant for 2023. We they wait. And it go surely come. So we go continue to endure. But at least the important thing be say, see, all of them know the truth. Now just be say money, did they use money shut them up? All of them, they know the truth. But it go soon end, my people. Wait till nothing concerning this matter. Now don't hear Dr. Hakim himself, the English master, the only learned northerner. Now don't hear him. So I beg, drop the comment for that comment section and share this video. So the other northerners go not say they no go school. They go just a mumu here. Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.